how to send a message on Pinterest. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Pinterest application on your device and further, simply tap on the search bar and search for the user whom you want to send a message, or you can also simply scroll through and tap on the picture whom you want to send the message and then tap on the user who posted the picture. Once you have opened the user profile, you will see the option for a message there. So simply tap on the message option and then go ahead and type in the message that you want to send. And with this, as you can see, the message has been sent. So this was about how you can send message on Pinterest. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.